Y'all, these drugstore prices are getting ridiculous. I might as well shop at Sephora. What is going on? Hi everybody, so I did go to my local drugstore looking for all the new makeup that everybody's been raving about in their channels, but of course mine did not have it yet. So I did pick up some things that I do not have in my collection that I will be using in this video. I will leave in the description everything that I am using in this video, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna mean it from the heart. I don't ever wanna X again, X again, X again. So if you're planning on exiting, exit then, leave me now. I don't ever wanna X again. I'm using the NYX glitter glue on my smile lines to try to see if it will help them not crease as much. I got this tip off of, I think her name is Sunny, but she has a YouTube channel and she was using her video, so I thought I would try it out. Just wanna be sure that you're for sure, cause this is my last time trying. Cause all of the past guys lied when they said that they would never make the same mistakes. Hey, as the last one off is aside. I've really been liking setting my concealer because it feels like that it just helps my makeup to look smoother when I apply it on top. And be forever my love, love. I don't ever wanna X again, X again, X again. So if you're planning on exiting, exit then, leave me now. I don't ever wanna X again, X again, X again. And be forever. I never really used my Anastasia dip brow, so I wanted to try it in this video, and you're probably gonna see it was taking me a really long time to do my eyebrows, but I did figure it out in the end. We ain't gonna stay together, stay together, stay together. And be forever my love, love.
Got them.
It was all a dream. I'm in the spot doing my thing, laid back in 40-40 with the baller team. When I caught Miss PYT out the corner of my eye, playing the bar in VIP. And shorty know I stacked in the grand. She could tell by the McDonald's sign on the back of my pants. And since you looking like I'm hard to find, but you let me know what's on your mind. What's up?
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but cause of your room, my world. I even dream of you, I swear, I swear, I swear. Visions of you and I, all alone in my room, all alone at night. I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself.
At this point, I was so over my eyebrows, but I got them done and they looked halfway decent.
You know very well what you are. You're my sugar babe, my chocolate star.
I'm only showing the two foundations that I'm going to use in this video. I did not show that part because it is pretty much the same steps in all of my videos. But if you would like to go see that, just go back and watch one of my previous makeup videos and it's there for you.
Just wanna be your girl. Yeah, yeah. I just want your juicy. Cause I wanna be your girl.
I wanna be what you want and need, girl. The shower steaming, let's be creative. Your face is warm and you feel so luscious. Do you like these touches? Maybe I'll just order. I gotta be what you ride and drive it. Slip and slide.
I did
did try to poke my eye out, so be careful with the sponges, everybody. Be careful.
You said made me dream of you too, but am I dreaming? 'Cause it feels like I'm in you.
Just wanna be your girl.
I'm using one of the ColourPop palettes in this video, and I really had to build up the yellow. I was going for a yellow look, but somehow I ended up with a totally different look.
Candy rain coming down, spread you all around. I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Moses, Truth, Raphael Sadiq, and yours truly, Scipio. Yeah.
I decided to put some green in my tear ducts, and I liked it, but I should have blended it out a little bit better. But hey, you live and you learn. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.
Some people do things